Hi, I'm John Walker. I'm with the Walter Morris Company, and we're here today in Stephen Francis' home, a Walter Morris product manager with us. And Stephen was having some water quality issues, so we're here to address that by installing an Atlas DP Big Duo system. And it's going to have a basic sediment cartridge and a carbon cartridge, which will address what the issues he was having. Some chlorine taste and odor and some hardness. And this Atlas Duo system is top of the line, is going to take care of those issues for him. So far I have done a little preliminary work where I have installed a nice mounting board and bracket that the Atlas Filtri system comes with. It's in the part number ZA, and this is a ZA1702757. Duo housings, like I said, comes with a nice sturdy mounting bracket. Very ease of use for any installer to have a nice solid situation going on. So we're going to begin. I've already drained the water, which is the first step in any installation. I'm going to start installing my fittings to be able to hook up to the Duo head, which has an inlet and an outlet. And we're going to go from there. We're continuing in the process here. I've now installed the bypass system I previously talked about. For, again, ease of use for changing these cartridges in the future. I'm about to install both sumps of the Atlas. First the sediment, and second one will be the carbon block. Again, nice, solid, easy connections. And again, just very easy, right up in there. And a slight turn. Perfect. Okay, so a little further along in the process here, I've installed the bypass, got a lot of the piping done. Again, another nice, clean, professional look here by Atlas with the bracket, solid connections. I'm going to start livening up, making sure my two connections are good. You'll see the flow where it will go through the sediment and then into the carbon block. Into the carbon block. Okay, and it looks like we're all live here. We got full sump, both sumps full of water, carbon block, connections look good. Just a final version look again. Drain kits for ease of use for changing the cartridges. We are complete, and I found one last helpful hint. The wrench that comes with it, so that it's always handy for your changing of the cartridges. Which is nice and complete.